Hey everybody, I was working on a 2005 Ford F-150 frozen caliper seized up. I just got another one. It comes with the hardware, it comes with everything you need. It was much easier. The old one was rusty. The pistons were broken and it was seized up. I couldn't compress it. In order to put the brakes on, I couldn't compress it because it was seized up. So I just decided to replace the whole thing. So I'm going to link to my videos about changing the front brakes, and it's going to kind of show you most of the steps to take. Um, just take this 13 millimeter bolt out, separate the top from the bottom, put the bottom on first, attach it to the steering knuckle so that that's in place. And those are 18 millimeter bolts actually right there that I'm turning right there. Those are 18 millimeters. Put that on first. Then you're going to take that top part with the pistons right there. You're going to put that on second. And so you can put the hardware in, where it needs to be. Put grease behind the new brakes, behind the new brake pads. You're going to put that 13 millimeter bolt in on the bottom only. It's like a hinge. That way, when you put the new brake shoes on and the new hardware, as you just close it up, you can kind of like squeeze it together and just close it up that way. And it's much easier. Then you're going to screw in the other 13 millimeter bolt. You're going to take this pin out. It's like a plastic insert, and that's where you're going to put the screw. It's like another bolt actually. And I want to say that's a 16 millimeter bolt. It's going to go right on this thing here. I call it the banjo. Now this banjo, that's where your brake fluid is going to enter into the caliper. And it's going to line up right there on these 2005 Ford F-150s. It sits flush with that, and then you put the bolt through. But with the bolt, be careful because there are two washers that come with this thing. One's going to be under the banjo, and one's going to be on top of the banjo. One's going to be under the banjo, one's going to be like that. That's how it's going to have to be. You're going to tighten that up to the proper specifications, and then you have the new caliper on. You didn't have to do a whole bunch of rebuilding or guesswork. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.